one also Uncle Busia for Omuni Bibiano, Omilica and Sheho. Answer not Amareno Abasu. And I said, if I said Amareno Abasu, Emma Busia for Eben, nearly Obana Beman, and Sana Bemano, or in the Mark of Obano and the Indian no pass some more. You know, the young pan, the young pass some more, and so Christoni, and I will be up ahead the Aquapano, and that's how this name is so. In the campaign, she had been said, Ugamo for beer anywhere, obeying young upon and I'll go heaven. That's why you need more. Obibia, you are trim, and now we be anywhere about your mania, Obinia, young upon I need more acquired. Sango Folina, the course, say you. This is the panel of Salad free a drama. Now we are dear, a drama, young poet, you are dear. I didn't finish a drama pan, young Paulina, young Paul, next to a pan, a drama. No books, I may say, what is fornication? Now, sexual immorality. A dear, a kind of drama crown, a dear near a drama. A drama, they say, Obama Bia. When you oba on your yeri, a better biano, what would your mind? Never be a woodsy in biano. Say when you oba on your yeri, bia da, what would your mind? And found about Quanam, you know, and found say to us, a drama. Oba biano swa, when you bear me bia on your one dear, and I say, and you could better biano, what would your mind? Sandy Pano, woo, and as a uncle for no. Indeed, and then. If a condemn a dear friend is premarital sex, a young point you are dear pass or bar, in your own dear, Bema, on your bar, one dear, now only the better and sana a waware, a bonny pa, a young point. If you never said, over to no bar is a one and sana waware, and your bonnet. If you don't say a bonnet, I mean, the and I said that trends and not church, the many dear. You say a bonnet 100%. Ubia one of Babia, 1 year where you better be and why a bonnet till rather. First of all, Jim. Unipabia would hear me be as well as for where some Pacani, where elder, and found if I was so yet, and what Brabuno. Ubia also say Bible, Bible as a casa, Bible was a dear Mossasia. Young coupon at you are DNA and Cophobia, Ombawarian, or Mudika yourself. Now, Omodeda, and son of Mawadiano. If I could Bible, a Bible, Eka. And to be Omodeda and son of Mawadiano. Why a bonnet and Lupon? So, Obia would tell me the as a Christian pan, I was in a Lupon, and I'll be warrior, and I know a barn as a sheho, and Ansana, more way on Wadia, why a bonnet till rather, and young Porcho. Young Wordma, one young Wordma, is doing him, and I say a 1 year in the trim. When you go for Bayer, never so, Beman or Beman wouldn't know, and never need you. Awful be it, no, I didn't so. I did them and I saw a word into Nebony view. I have Bonia, Boninchum, and the Morgan my water, my own idea being Diasa. Say, you couldn't look past and say, Bonia. Now, now, what pay ya, oh, maybe the year power with a look on him. And he said, Ubia will be ever worried, and he said, when any that now said, Ubinu will be the worry, not in this one any that they are, and you'll be a only having a class on no more trim fladdy. There's only and see no more them. We are in Senior and White them class. It was the Kayan Car 1 Corinthians chapter 6:9. Was still one more entering and look for him, you know. No, almost was a drama for and a couple of look for him, you know. A drama, a dear entry will be a dear him. May have a good young person when you have never been a ye. Sincere idea. Using the finance and that's what any one many power. Welcome. This was an answer. The environment was sorry, environment was your elder, environment was your software. No baby, 1 year, then maybe any who could elder. No against a warrior, a bonina moye, a chiwadi, a fee, a bone and upon. Now, a record Bible near him. Be a bema, in our dears, no camper. The affair boyfriend, a girlfriend. See a new boyfriend, girlfriends, and fee, Yakwa Mua. The best first judgment into me that you cry. The end of the pay pa. Now, it will be a wooden piano. Monia never same way to home for pilot in your boy. I may go back with Brin and Cabab with Brepa. Sex is for married couples. And Fancy Avenue. Sex is for married couples. It is not for unmarried couples. Young couple, a boy, and not Emma, what for, and not a what for dear. To worry your own come home. Ubia wari bia wanya oba ho ade bia na bema obema bia wanya oba ho ade na oba anya ho ade bia ma bema no de bia ye bone enna enya wo mo enware ye dia enna ya warefo dia enna jama na ekos bebre pa ye pa jama mo enkwada e bodwama ye twempra dos bebre bone ba ko nyini pa be ko sey mu ba ko pa mu bi ni jama mo na e dos papa sexual immorality fornication e dia bia tunia wutie mi bia no senen so pa ye pa na sa wadwe na free sa ene man ho ni pa ntime nso makono so asembe kura ani mini aba asofo bebre kura frase kura trese nye bone mo waro ba bo wa no nko a ne obetime nada eye musuo hu pa asene nko se mo se sofo bi o kasa bia no aida se oni mawurade onye born again ana a lack of knowledge ana what boni mu asene nko se be hu no egama egu ahodo bebre emu bia ye bone na me bo be kan wa asem pa ne yenhwe ye be hwa de ntia eye bone so ko mo se mira ni mu a nyankopon ade emra emu odin asotwe pa eso pa ne to wo ma be na bia ono obabu no be dansa na wo waro no asotwe kase pa ne da ho mai na ene no ye be ko ye be hwa ejanom abreso akaya enipa bi fa so ware yengofo bi omo din wo bible no na ewia ye be hwe ensa nyankopon de to ho e wo mo se mra mu obeso wo ware ya so betun na dansa na se ni so ne da no se be hwe de mra no so esie ewia be de kristo no so esie na enne ye hwe ejanom ngofo bi omo din wo bible mu ye be hwe ejapani Abraham ye be hwe na wade ye be hwe Isaac ni ye be hwe Jacob ye be hwe Joseph ni ye King David omonwansam sankofu nyina meka omonwasam nyina no ombe ware no omone emma no ne dansa na omo ware omo omo ajese ho na se Moses ebe ware ono oba na antwempra ono oba na se Isaac no oba na nenne wo so ono oba be dansa na wo wa no dia wo case kase pa wo rade anim amade enya bone enna enya bone enna enya bone yenye wo ade na se oba bema enye wo ade na se woni bema da wo be fresi atemu no eba no ayade ehu pa yi pa ti ye be nkrofo we nyina ho asem emra no mo nyina eye single no ye be se wo mo hwe mpransa na wo mo ware ya ye me hu me nya ngo pa asma akasa kire na tuni aboa ye sise wo ofra ho nya ngo pa onipa wo ofra ho odifo wo ofra ho sofo anas elder ni evangelist ni apostle na wo twempna ana wo de ho ka wo ba wonye wo yera abufu a eba wo so ntimi nyina no tieni ye pa wo ye sofo na wo be ware ana mpo ware na wo no ba me hye ho a abufu pa eba wo so no kura na ya wo betimi wo ye kristo ni so na se wo ware na no wo ba bi ja wo ba anya wo yere woni na ja abufu be ba wo so kura ntimi nyina no sa na wo ba so ma ho kwa mo bi no ja emra wo ware wo a die emusuo pa awurade ni mpa ne behwe ye hwe aja Abraham ho asam kakra Abraham de oware Sarah no na owusunu amemra Abraham no oware Sarah no no ye unbeliever nti oware ya nsa na awade no de eba han mu tina Abraham no onima awurade na oware ye nimu nti oware ya nsa na obejide ni na nti ye hwe bada emra wo hu awurade no ode ne yere no eba awurade mo ba awurade mu no Sarah mani problem bia ti emfanshi ya James Abraham no hu awurade ansa na wo ware ya nsa na awurade ansa na eba le nche asofo bebre no ware ya nsa na omu hu awurade na o born again ansa na omo yire no ma be nyame adwuma asofo ma bebre wa na omo nya asofo ma me bebre asofo bi ntumi na problem pa yi omo especially bi omo ewo wiase a omo ware ya ansa na me hu awurade omo born again omo yire no ba nyame adwuma no ebi na problem pa ebi na problem but Sarah de Abraham omo ware esum but dem no ba han mo no still no Sarah ko so aya de etene obo Abraham edina akwaye de se dem mpo o ware na awurade mu kura asa de ware na awurade mu kura ansa yanzu na ntisa na nti wone de ana na ware asase no de ya nkonta mebira enta anye yi bi so ofa ba no ewusum mo ne ba han mu na yenhwe mra nya ngopon asem ba e da pani Abraham nchai kila fo a metu mu yi bi ema ba bi ema me ba awurade asem nie o tere bi onko ware na yenhwe uka Bible no asa so ni fo wo nyina no e besua ade afiri wo no kai enkai so kai 53 Okoho Osmani ni fie pani na kuwa pani manoko ni kurum ware oba de ne bai okoye no ho ade kama onima hoye ndotuye rebi fen Rebecca kuhu no hoye ne ho ade bibia nyenka okakere me hwade 24 no 50 ena Laban ne betu ebuan se Ewurade da se ni efiri no yintini enka papa na bone wo ho hwe Rebecca na wogina wonimi fanoko ema na nkoye ewura bayere sɛdeɛ Ewurade aka no Abraham akoa no ɛte nsɛmi no ɔkoto fam sɔre Ewurade na akoa no eyi bete nyetebena ne sika kɔkɔɔ nyenye ɛne ntaadeɛ ɛde ma Rebecca na ɔde nneɛma ɛsomboɔ ɛne ɛma ne na ɛne nua bɛɛma ase ayehu sɛ afɛdeɛ abrante akɔyɛ Rebecca ho adeɛ na yɛnhwɛ ɔyɛ ne ho adeɛ nyinaa wie okae chapter 24:58 American 58 ona ofre Rebecca ka kire na se unu obaima yi bekwa na no se meko nso afi omu ja no kwai na last verse American ka fa ho 67 24:67 Genesis na Isaac de ne ko na Sarah nso madan mu no oware Rebecca no ye ne ayire na odo no na Isaac ready to say in the wound achi unsa say no we said the whole story in la church Isaac one Rebecca and Kempana sana omo wade ye no ho de pa ye ma no ansa ha say e die ni pa ye pa he say aware ho tie pa na ye konkon Nyankopɔn anim nie me ma na mfa na won ka oba no ansa no oba no ye no ho de ansa Isaac unya kese ntia Isaac ja pani Isaac ya owodin pa a Bible mu no o be wade no ye oba no ho de ma no Abraham o ka Nyankopɔn asam no Genesis chapter 18:19. Ose minimum sa Abraham de amenka wansa. Ose efiri se na mehuno na mayi ne se onse ne ma ene ne fiefo a ebedi akire nyina sa oni Ewurade ekwan so enye tene ne atem de tene na Ewurade amade waka fa Abraham nyina abale so. Ose Abraham de minimum se obehye ne ma ama omu nyina fa Ewurade akwan so ayade etene. Abraham ntime nsa ma ne ba Isaac and Tremplan son of Wade. 1 year Sakura, so what Ramani by Isaac, no Trempla, when he marries her and son of Wade. Yamupo D4, Yamupo Compa, Bayasa, and you will say, or Jan of dear. Not on Mobusia for Lady Obana and Money by Isaac Yansa. And the Abraham 1 years I did that. You will say Isaac, when Rebecca and Wadi and son of one about Colony, and Jacob also. Jacob also. And you didn't see Jacob some influence and some in the first wife on a man. Someone in a Laban saying, only a man, not a pay or mammy. Now, what's not one quite all my life. When you mind is a hotel here, one so much person for one or fuck with some no more than there be. Papa Pilot and a man once and son the first when you cry was some influence from a pilot and a Baba dear. The American was already in one day and said, we must some influence on 7 good years. And Sana, but then a man on a creative crowd. I done 7 years, not so a pen or so, then a man on Ubunukasia. Either Obao front or the incest or the Rahan man on, or the Lian man in the Bapany, and on Sian was some fear do and son when your man you know about dear. 1 4 banner for 4 was up. 1 one can one son or one. We are so for now churches, we will deep for now churches, we are some packing our churches, Sacrawagene. Once I something goes, you know, say a bonica say with a move on him. You know, the most in Baracras Cafa, never the Christmas, almost a Cafa, young guy by a bono. And Genesis 29:18 to 28. Now, Megan Kamubi was say Genesis 29:18 to 28. Na Yakob do Rahe, no can say, Ubekuma Rahe and Nasom in Fianson. Na Laban ese ayasa medeno bemma wo sense medeno ma onipa wo forobi famense na Rahe nti Jacob so mfie nso na do awodo no nti eye ne so se ene fo bi na Jacob ekatire Laban se famiyere mame na me na du na me nkɔ ne ho na Laban bobo akurumofo nyina no no topono na anwumere de ne balia ebre no na ɔkɔ ne ho enso Laban de na bawa sipa ema no eya abawa obato aso mun se wakɔsom pa wakɔtena mfie nso was eye ne se na awɔhwe ayasem a ɛso pa oba tifi one plan one lie 7 good years o tumi tena oba ho ne nana and never be required by one letter so as soon as your 3 months here, they can so on and Yabotre, Nyan or Enchurch from our young some to me almost. As I'm Benny, what you a man you know. When no one answer, yet the man, you was it so they should do and claim to know. And in Bians on a set, then I watch it. Now, Tamwa, 7 years no, or Madame Power could have 1 day or come to the year past, and they soon I can say, and I'm for Pamela and I'm going to. He was for the hustle. Why never have a beer, never also, and why the Papa Bobo Kumofuano, no top on particles here. Be any other Raha Raha will be any other. If you are not doing it in a choir, well, we are now calling and crying and one pay year pass, you could do, about if you pound well. And so, as I'm not. Aha, I just see and son woman as I said earlier, and so I couldn't worry. We've been a man years, I'm from a son. We've been a man years, I'm from a son, and of course, I demand a team. You can say, Senate me and Raha Bama, the assassin in Games, and I said, Yema, a Kuma and Wadinya. Penny also has the American was also a battle in Games will be 14 years, not in a man in Warrior. And then the Pantamins here also, yeah, but I just hear Campanza. One will be at the power, but when an answer, you do a banner man, you have to open, you should also man, and then you hope them, and the year, Nanyas and any party has so many a champion. If I would remember Bani Bema Moy or money a champion, you will school money a champion. As sort of Kura Muno, my champion. Everyone is says so. I saw for being to the Bonnie be a Yamanko for Binti. You're very careful, Pan, young upon the Somono. You know, say Jacob, what was saying also, Unya Botre, 7 years, and Unya Botre. Or Bani also, I didn't know of them maybe a 444. Jacob 1 4 Bani for 4 Bossa, I take 1 4 Bani for 4 Bossa. Young for income once. Even Moses and so. Zipora and Sana Moses were also over now. When an answer, and he a jump and inform your Bible more, Obomudia, Nipakotua, Obedient Moses, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Joseph from Yakom was and Nitian Pa, Namixation when in every year swap. I find you ever come with the Manos Eka. Now you want it now, not we are bar, Mobino and now Sana wow. A before ever bows of crying been you. And so we have be with him, so you have come from every other, and you fee and throw radium, and now, and you are more and warrior dear, and now you are for dear, whom are and I will be that pair, who boom so power radium, and Yanon, young Moses way. Moses, he paid and warfare. I want you to buy and of course now, real fee, you know. Okay, I'm pass some more Exodus chapter 2, 20 to 22 and Kaho. On also, the number of the answer. One of our you ever heard, dear, is here. A mouse on a mouse on Palmo, a mouse on our Kazangata. Mose and one more that and the church and son idea what he made Aiba could there be. Oh, a man also, yes, almost so ready, almost so more. And then my baby, 20 minutes almost, most of a dime, not here 12 or so. No one did a more fetchy, for the minute to back from. And Sana, no ban Zipora, a Kunin Sayan Sana, yet I finished that quiet. What a matter today? As I'm very crying. You can go past them, or you can kind of Yassam, or Exodus chapter 2, 20 to 22. Was it? Now, I catch the Mama and I said, no, over here, I didn't know Muja Beamano. No friend, and no medidi. Now, most of the penny said, or net of Beamano Ebetna, nor the Baba Sibura and my Moses. Oh, I said, yeah, the man, and son of Kababonoa, one in the air war. What's not my move? One another. Moses, you know, for you, what it's no, you bring Pompa, you part of an warrior. One Jim Prancer. Abraham was a woman, yes, sir. Oh, my son, oh, I feel rather home. The Henderson. You said, I'm on a side, every baby said, Joseph. Joseph also would be better 30 years and son of warrior. Pharaoh and a warrior or ban warfare, a man. Pharaoh and a warrior ban warfare, man. And according to Joseph was a crown of a virgin, you can kind of want some that Genesis 41, 45 to 46. Genesis 41, 45 to 46. You can was it. Now Pharaoh Fred Joseph, son of Tanya, no the answer for particular Baba Asna, and Manaware. Now Joseph free evidence in the museum as I said in our house. On I say no, someone in free prison or a branch when you better 10 years. Pharaoh no one or bar at the man, and son of one. onimso wa Hebrew ni osuawurade onko twetwe mpra ono oba ne nkodan sada bi osuawurade na according to Joseph was kwamba ameka anwasa aka Joseph was just na oba ne virgin ana onim bema bia Joseph ne dika akote ya no enze ne ma no ansa ya de ne emma wade ansa na wone na eda na nanso de ena de be na ekoso ne de be ne ehunu ne on se Joseph wone oba na ansa na wa no wone na nhye wansa wone na ntwempra ansa e wiase awade Everybody mu de enyamu party wade tu ne bia o ba bia wutie ni bia fa hye wadwene mu na yen hwe we so enka wona MY King David obia David nwansa me ate nwansa mfa no mibuza wo say who was the first wife of King David ya hanenim one just seconds here no so betwa o kwaden ka Bible no David ne ire odi ka pa ne efe ne sai e wo Bible mu ni tie mo ne yen hwe wo ka Bible no a Samuel 1 Samuel 18:20 to 27 ya beka waka kriya beni ahwe one also David the first wife ne fa na Mika one also sao be the daughter of King Saul on his so ne baba a fa na Mika and David Mika e ware no wan fa ne fofofo one o hene ko tla ya o penalty no de ni sunu fidie o hene de ne ba ne ma no ansa na o ko ne ho na no kura no e won se me bre pa yie pa eni o bora wade no wo sha wade ase ne oba obi kai ware ne fa ne Mika so baba wo ye ne ho de ansa na wo ko ne ho na wo de wo ye nse so David ye oba ho de ansa na wo ko ne ho de a wo de wo ye nsa na wa yire mu hwenie pa me hwene me bi yie pa na we me nwie bi me hwede mra no mo se mra e so pa kafa sanse mo yo ho e be ti mo fe ko pa yie pa na se obi chira wo se ana se onipa bi ekase ana se wo ankasa wutim wadini mo no e wo se wo no oba betimi ya dance na wakwa ne ho ade ade a wo bɔ musu ate wo ye boni tie wo nipa dua wo ye boni tie asafo awurade aye boni wo onyankopɔn wo tie ase nanim ni nya konkon ema awurade yen nka nyankopɔn asam yen hwɛ ne mi nka bi bo dia 1 Samuel 18:20 to 27 me kai 27 no nko a nyata me nka ni nyina wo se na David sori si ni ono ene ne mamarima na kokunkum flesefo mamarima ahanu na David the one ne marima ano we de no ebae no okan ema no duru de kire ohene se onye ohene ase na so de ne baba Mika ma no awade ohene so ansana ode Mika bema David ya ware no okache ne se onye trade ni mo de ode ejina wo se trade ni opese David edi Philistefo sebe omema obema bia so opese otwa se nka wo ye bema ye wo etawudia no bema ni bia ongo fa mema maako bia maako bema wo ni bia de ojo fa mu no ongo hwa no ope maako nko wo ha ode wo ha bela dia wo ne baba no bema na ware eya sam ga sia pa na ono so na me se ope oba ware na ja kwan sia bana ne ho ode na de on so ndimo oba na ansa na kwa meso ware na cause eye mpomo marato on so okoi when it is for koye kunkum ni pa 200 mema 200 no ti obia do so fa mo no si obia no twa ten kani ni oba no ode ogu na nanim omunya abotre kani nyina hwe sa aso pepe on kani nyina 100 na aso pepe ansa na wode no ema no asa oba na yire the first wife on obre ansa na wonya oba no wanfo oba no fofofo woye ne ho de ansa na wode no ho ka no ena ye beze be price e pade ne pe fofofo nya no ma no mama ye ma ye bonye din ka we oba ma bonye din wate e ma me kom wase nyina na me ma na wano mo nyina no o mo anfa ne fofofo hwe so ne baba yi a Mikai e bi ne ma David ya wade oba ne first wife no wanfo ne fofofo woye ne ho de obre ansa na wonye oba no obre ye oye bibi ansa na nyasa bia na ye ma ni bia fofofo oba bi waje se wanka ida wanka nko onya kokoduro kan ko ade ya na odi nti beto fom sesi a asem be nie ane nti na dia na ni pantemensi ya woso we ye nkofo bia wo mo sum nya ngopon a wo mo wodi oba ebu mu mo ye kwaye wo fa so ware ye wo mo antwempra ansa wo mo anye hyehye wansa endina wana wo no bi hyehye ho na wone na ede da no eye boni o na wo mpokura so ye kristoni na obe ware no won oba le ehye ho a obi ehunu mo bi se suma se de da ya anzana mo kwa no wade a die eye boni ka udi ka ye boni na sa boni so ebi di pachi enye wale se aware awenji ansa ni so ye ho adwuma ansa wona ka fo obere ni ya gene se fe be ma na kura awenji atwam boni twam enye ho adwuma ansa da tu a wutie ni dia ejamamo enya ngopon achiwade ejamamo ense wo wurade anim eye boni eye fi enya ho tie Moses no anya sa Isaac anya sa Jacob no anya sa David the first wife anya sa Joseph from na atena so a hotie mu sanka me man ka me ka me bere no a kire wo nanso me digi se de man kan kura na esombo bere mama ye bo nya den papa mama ye bo nya den so eno so fo be ka kire wo se wo betimi no oba na dansa na wa anu a so fo no onye born again wa ene wutie ne bia no a wo de sa adwen na hye wutiri mu bia no wo de twempena bia no wo de ko wuo mu nyankopɔ abufuo na eba ne ntimi nyina no na se unu obi be ware na ewo se wo ye ne ho ade ansa na wada na awa enna sex eya ware fo de ade a ene wa wo de wa cheke fa asemi to ho eni pa se pa na nyankopɔ anhu ye moba o meko se yi mu bebre because any in science, Sana so for Benua Eka, and so for be on my retirement or spiritual retirement, no, Sana Church. What my church said, be and is a woman, what retirement? Again, I retire. So a cardio pay. One say, in years and the Aka, Muyanka, we are so for now churches, sir. We are deep for our churches, sir. Who Bomusu, I have Bonnie over again. We are sort of penny. Now, when will be this home? Now, what can I say? Mamma, Naneda, and Yamupa, you are in a war, Ama media se me ba na wie me nia ba ye oba ma obo nya de wate na Jacob wan fo oba na fo sa ni bo ye den oba na bo na e den 7 years o se na wo so ani ati aso no me ja se idin na kura na sa oba na be ma wara kura no a na o mu nya botira kura no a me ntun se bia ni de ni pe die na yes sa de be nsun tie dia ade ni pa di me se ya ho so ne mu nya botira pa ade ya wo dia Yamupo bo enna eka awade ho when you film not man sex awade plus na eye won awade dia nti we ba mu wa na wo tie me na wo ware so na wo furu wi leti atwempra na edue na we kura ye bone dia na wo furu wi leti akofo ba wo fro wo furu wo kuna chi ede wo ede wo koka be ma wo fro dia na edue o twempra wo sa akwa no so dia na edue papa obi ba wara kura ni kwa so no ba na da na wo de ene san ne wo wona obi twempra na ndia so obi enim so ma wara ndia san ne wo de wo yantina ni wa yirem na me nsakra ndia so ho ma ye emra me dia sini ba na wi me ni aba ma enketi wate me mfa ensemu yi enso ya koma so me bo a ye be ko Bible afa na me be ko Mose nu an kasa tintin ye efa awade asase ho se ye be ware a ekwaye ye mfa so ware ye ye hede kristo so maka ye na unu obi ni se ho ne wo ne wati asempe sakra wadene di asempe ni di ma ho kwa na Yesu mfa bo ne nhyɛw na wade nyu mfi saa ade ni mu na enna ade nipa ko sɛ yie mu enya asujafo dia enya warefo dia ti ade enya wo dia na wafa no na obubu hu akonta temuda ye bɔ mpa ya sɛ nya ngopɔ so hu ye mɔbɔ na enne wa wotie mi bia no sɛ wo obi hyɛ hɔ a enne ye bɛhwɛ kam so firi ho agama mo nya ngopɔ akyi wade na wo ye virgin so anya me boa ho asɛm nso ɛba next week meto aso ne ahwɛ de mmara ɛne ascription nya ngopɔ de ma ɛde to hɔ ma obi a obɛfo ba wo ye virgin ansa na ɔne ne da no ebi hunu kositi next week ɛmɛpere ho kora mu mu atɛn na ye bɛba no ɛba ye bɔ mpaye ɛja kronkron ɛna wasɛm aba wɔmyɛ no sɛ ɛyɛ fi na ɛntene wɔmyɛ waka Jacob ho asoma kyerɛ waka David wɔmyɛ mu Joseph Moses onkrofo no nyinaa ne Isaac na ma ho tefo kronkron wɔn amfo mo anka ɛma no ansa na wɔn na wɔn da yɛ de wɔn ma wɔn ansa ɛma nso atena ase ɛma wɔn so na wɔn bɔ den wɔde me so bi wɔ ha na wɔtie mi a ɛmpena mu na ɔda obi a wɔtie mi a wɔtwempra obi a wɔtie mi a ɛnɛ wɔne bɛbɛ de bɛware a wɔde ne ho ama no wɔn yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ bɔne na ɛntene wɔ anim wɔde me so ɔma yɛ adwen sakyera yɛ mɔbɔ na ɔman Ghana no sɛ wɔn nsa wɔde sɛ ɔman na asomdwe nkɔ so ansa ɔman yi mu keda wase ɛwɔ Yesu din yi mu amen yo apostle Awurade nhyira na ɔmo ahoɔden ne